Hi! In front of me is Microsoft Surface Pro X, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings, then click on Bluetooth and Devices over here and tap on Add Device. Now you need to choose Bluetooth over here and wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the chosen one, wait a bit, and select Connect in the pop-up. After that, you need to wait for the other device to do the same, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. When you're ready, click on Done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!